Hi, I'm Stacey J and this is my studio. Welcome back to anyone who has watched me before, and welcome to anyone that's new. If you like my content, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button. It's free. It makes a little buzz happen in my head, but it is free to subscribe. I thought I'd jump on today because I got a parcel. Okay, I got two parcels, but I got a parcel. I'd love to say it's a fabric haul. Would I though? Because then I'm like, where am I going to put it? But first of all, let me show you. Okay, so hang on. We all know that I sign off with a little flamingo when I answer your comments, and a heart, and you know, flamingo, because I have a thing for flamingos, and this accidentally flew into my cage, into my cart. It is so cool. It's made of tin. I love it. It is so cool. It comes with like little hooks to hook the feet in. I haven't unwrapped the hooks yet. Actually, Mr. Christopher has come into the studio. He did not see my flamingo. He saw my shelf that had fallen down, but he did not see my flamingo. It is so cool. Yeah, okay, what can I say? It's flamazing. It's fabulous. Right, so are these my new glasses? I picked them up today. What do y'all think? It's a little bit of blue, a little bit of brown, a little bit of dark brown, and they threw in this because I bought two pairs, and she opened it. She goes, oh, these are really cool. She opened these ones. Oh, they're really cool. And I said, oh yeah, thanks. You know, I mean, nobody was really there to help me. Mum was busy, and I kept sending her photos of me wearing glasses, like one after the other, like ding, 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 ding. So her phone was going off, and she, when I said, okay, I've made my selection, she was like, oh, thank goodness for that. She actually wrote it. Oh, thank goodness for that. No, thank you. She said, thank you. Like, thank you for stop sending them to me. So I had so many pics, and the girl that normally helps, or the one I know quite well there, don't know her name, but I know her. Yeah, I've been in there twice now. Well, I've been tested twice. I've been in there a couple of times. Anyway, she was busy with someone, so I couldn't get the help. And then the boy helped me, and well, he said, I like these on you. And I said, okay. And then I got another pair, and he said, oh, you know, I like them. And I put another pair on. He goes, yeah, no, I don't like them as much, but I like these ones. And so I bought them both. Anyway, so she opens the second package of glasses. She says, oh, the same pair. That's fair enough. And I went, no. I said, no. No. So he had ordered the same glasses. So this morning, get this, how's this freaky? This is freaky. So this morning I got up and got ready, and I thought, oh, I'm picking up my glasses at 10 o'clock. Pretty excited about that. My eyes haven't changed any. They're still in my head. No, they're still the same range, so I can still wear my last year's glasses, and I can wear the year before as well. So the year before, my Ralph Lauren, which I can't see them right now. Oh, here they are. So this is 2 years ago. These are Ralph Lauren's. Okay, so these are quite okay, so I was trying to wipe away a text that kept popping up, and it just opened the text up. Sorry, my bad. So these are quite cool, but they get loose real fast, like they flop around, and I didn't like that, and I must have taken them in about 4 times to get, and I don't wear them on my head. I have these, I think it was a Queenie's husband said, oh, you look like grandma doing that, or something like that. So I actually took it off, but it's helpful because I don't need my glasses for anything but reading and possibly seeing myself on that. I don't have them on. I don't walk around with them, so I take them off and then I spend half an hour looking for them. So these are really, really helpful. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I was saying this morning. Focus, Stacey. This morning I was getting ready and I thought, I wonder if I should have got another smaller frame, because that's quite small and then these ones are quite round. And I thought, oh, do they look big? See, those are like chic. And anyway, so she said, oh, I'm so sorry, she was lovely, this girl. She served me last time, actually, fitted me, and I said, it's all right. And she goes, do you remember what they were? And I went, it's those ones. And there's a massive picture of them on the wall, and they were not a Roxy, I think these are Roxy, I don't know, they were something, I don't know. Anyway, she goes, oh, she said, hang on. She rushed out, she got them, and she goes, these them? I said, yeah, they're them. And she said something about, I said, yeah, I was thinking about it this morning, thinking maybe I should have got a pink pair, because there's a pink pair like them. So they're rushing off to get these glasses done, which I said, don't worry, I got like 4 pairs I can wear, I'm all good. And I can take these in, although I got these from a different company, I can take them in and they will gel them back to my head. And yeah, so I'm getting a pair of pink glasses that is about this colour. They looked awesome on. They looked really awesome on. When I didn't get pink because Mum said, do you wear much pink? At the time I thought she was joking, because I think I wear a lot of pink. A lot of pink. So yeah, so we all decided that I was going to not get the red ones, I was going to get the pink ones. So that's what I'm doing. So they're off getting them. So that's what I want to tell you. So I think these are quite cool, because I got blue eyes. Not that I make my eyes pop, I'm trying to look at myself, sorry. Not that my eyes pop with it, because they're behind the glass, but pop. Anyway, so yes, I got that. Picked them up today. That's from Specsavers in Upper Hutt. So nice, such a nice crew in there. Oh, and I saw the guy who'd put my order in, and I went, you, and goes, I'm sorry. I was only joking, I wasn't fussed. I think they got that. Oh, and they threw in the little cord thing for nothing, because I think they thought that I'd been stuffed around. Well, I got to change my glasses to pink. They're pink. How pink. Right, so I got 2 packages, 2 parcels. Those are the 2 words. Parcicles. Okay. My Mighty Flamingo. And, and I got to pick what glass case I got. Now, you know I hang my glasses off my bag, but, you know, you've always got to get something for nothing, right? So this one is for my blue glasses. Okay. And this one is for my pink glasses. How cool is that? Alex Perry, that's right. Alex Perry was the other glasses. All right, enough of the glasses. You're not here to talk about glasses. So I made I think I've told you I'm making 2 skirts for my friend / client, and I hadn't printed off the patterns, and I was about to put these glasses on. And when you spend a certain amount of money with Miss Maud's, it's free freight. So, are you ready? Let me tell you what I've ordered. Now, I did reorder something because it's on the big hard rolls and I wanted it not to be. So I've got the Aria, which is 7 pages long, and I said for them to print. Now they print your instructions for free, okay, and I got them to print the instructions, and then I realized that also had all the A4 paper attached for the pattern, so I wrote a little note and said please don't print it because it's going to be a waste for you guys because you're going to be printing off an A4 pattern, which they thanked me very much. So I've got 2 of these with the aria, pages 1 to 3, pages 4 to 7, and I got the Marlowe. So finally, in that little pile of rubble there, I'm just gonna, there we go. In that pile there is my brown that I'm gonna make my Marlowe out of. I have got the Zoe tank dress. I think that's also from the Marlowe people. Oh, who did the Marlowe? Standby caller. Oh, you see scissors now. You see scissors. Pick the right scissors, right? I say it's closet core, but I don't know. True bias. How many of you were yelling that out? True bias, true bias. So that's the Zoe tank. I'm quite keen to make that. I'm very keen to make that. So that's yeah, that was like 3 pages just for that wee singlet. C'est la vie. So I got that when I bought the Marlowe, and then I got the Riley overalls. Let me show you. I think it's much better when you can make your overalls yourself. And I like the back of these, the real hillbilly hick ones. You know, the bibbers, I quite like that. It smells like printing. I used to work in a bookshop, Bookworld actually, in Springwood in Brisbane when I was a kid, when Springwood Mall was just like 15 shops. It had Target there. For all those that do not know what Target is, it's Target. But yeah, and I used to work in Bookworld there because my friend's mum ran it. She was the manager and she needed someone, and me. I got the Anthea dress by Alan Anthea. You know. So I got the Northcote skirt and the yo-yo skirt from Style Arc. I got the pogo knit. Can't think if that's from either. I'm lucky if I remember the names of these things. The pogo knit. Now the second run of this, now I've got this in a roll. This is the Elwood jeans because that's one of my Make 9. And the rolls are annoying, and I think this is definitely the way to go. Maybe one day I'll have them all replaced. I got the I've got the Waves and Wild Heron pants, and I did it on the A4, and the amount of times I make these, and I need to be able to just keep making them. I think they go up to a size 12 or 14, and if the kids down south love them, then I've got to keep making them. So I got the nice copy of it, so it's going to be kept nicer. And the Bonnie woven top, I think that was the freebie for Style Arc. This was quite big. It's boofy, look. There were a couple of big ones. So that's the patterns I got. I might actually put them on my Backstitch app tonight. After I do this course, after I put this on and be a good girl like that. So yes, I've done that, and I got all that today, so I was very, very excited. I knew I was going to get the Miss Mauds because they are fantastic with next day service. but I didn't know that my flamazing flamingo was going to show up its beauty in my... Do you want to see it again? You do? You do, eh? Told you wanted to see it again. Oh. And you have no idea what noise they make. But somebody I know went overseas for a trip, and they sent back photos of flamingos, which was quite surreal, you know. I'm just taking his feet out. Or is it a her? Do we have a name for this flamazing flamingo? Frida, the flamazing flamingo. I can't stick it outside using these little spike things because it's concrete outside. Cement pound. Okay, so that's me for today. I just wanted to pop on and show you the patterns that I got, and I will put little pictures of each one of them, hopefully, as I'm talking about them, because, well, I think we've all just realized I had no idea who it was, but I'll put all those details on. Excellent. So I will catch you guys next time. Please, in the meantime, stay well, stay warm, stay dry, keep cool, keep on sewing, hydrate, and when something flies in your cart and it shows up, have no regrets. I don't. Okay, kids, keep cool to after school. See you later.